Yeah, baby! Nothing since Thanksgiving like garbage turkey from the trash can. Oh yeah, I don't even think this is turkey. I think that's a chicken. That is 100. You know what? Everyone likes chicken better, anyways. So if they don't like it, they can just piss off. So now I gotta wait for them. What to do? What to do while I wait? Ooh. Sad boy tunes. Sad boy tunes. Papa Pia dude stash. Come on. This tastes like chicken. So, goodbye, chicken. Oh, come on. Come on, chicken. Not just that, but the driest chicken I've ever had. Oh. Oh. It's like beef jerky. Hey, where are you guys at? I've been waiting here for like...
It's quarantine. I literally can't step foot outside my house.
No, but like... I got a turkey and everything, but...
I don't want to get sick. This virus is scaring me. I'm sorry.
Then one day, it's as clear.
Who's this wise guy? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest for today. All right, what's your name?
Gage.
All right, Gage, what's your last name?
Maisie.
Gage Maisie, everyone. All right, so what do you do at Fremont?
Clean.
Clean. Like, is that your job or?
Yeah, like a custodial.
Oh, you're a janitor. All right, give it up for our janitors, everyone. So let's go into detail about that. So what do you just go around picking up people's trash or like elaborate?
So like could you like maybe do that later or like after the show or before? Anyways, I just like do garbages, just empty them. Sometimes change the liners. Please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It clears up the nostrils, you know.
Yeah, I don't actually, but.
All right, time to ask you the real questions. All right. So besides being a janitor and all that, how much do you hate people nowadays?
Just in general, like.
Yeah, just tell me.
Kind of depends on the person. I don't know. Like you, I don't hate you. You're lovable. That guy? You talking about that guy or that guy? Oh, I hate that guy. Yeah, no.
Yeah, get him out of here. Get him out. Oh.